Hi, I'm Gillian and I am the owner of Gillybean Pottery. I am a fairly recently established business, and if you hadn't guessed, I make pottery. And I just am on today to talk about Phil Carrick and Red Chili Digital. He has been mentoring me and I have benefited hugely from his social media course, which I have undertaken recently with Cirque, and it has just been fantastic, the amount of things that I have learned. I was a complete novice. I don't really have a long standing history with social media, but Phil has helped me navigate my way through all of the different social media platforms, and he has been particularly helpful with my Google rankings. So thanks to all his help and his steering me in the right direction, I've been able to have my website ranked really highly for pottery in Northern Ireland, and anybody who's now looking for handmade pottery in Northern Ireland or in Belfast will find my page really quickly, and yeah, within the first few search results, which is really fantastic. I never thought I would be able to do that. I never would have been able to do it on my own. I wouldn't have even known where to start.